So, recap. Just spent the day, well, most of the day, over at China Peak. Not skiing, but in ski boots. That's got to count for something, right? And we're about to head over to a little spot so that Melissa can get some practice flying. I mean, I'll throw in some of them time lapses of China Peak.
Hopefully I do better than yesterday, that's all I can say. I mean, I did okay yesterday.
Yeah, you did fine.
There's nothing to be...
Nothing to be ashamed of.
Yeah.
So anyways, that's where we're headed. See you there. Fly your second time with your new drone.
I might be too nervous.
Don't be nervous. There's no reason to be nervous.
There's always a reason to be nervous, right?
Nah. Yeah, with that mindset.
I mean...
Okay, Melissa.
What's up?
First time recording a flight. What do you think you did?
I mean, I wouldn't say that I'm, I wouldn't say I'm proud necessarily, but I am proud that I came down and hovered it and then you caught it.
Okay.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, that's a step. That's a big step in the right direction.
And I was standing on this flight. Let's just note that.
Versus?
Sitting. Because all I've ever done up until this point is sit. Simulator I sat. That other flight that we filmed I sat. I was standing this time, so therefore I was like, woo! Yeah. So it felt very strange, but...
She's gonna have the steel power stance any day now.
I'm gonna get it, I promise. Like, okay. You know, first time, cut me some slack here, okay?
Well, I'm proud of you, so, you know, we'll cut the footage in here.
Yeah,
and then,
it.
Yeah, be good.
I'm stoked. I really, truly, like I said, 1 or 2 more flights, I don't know, something like that before we leave. That'd be sweet.
Okie dokie.
Yeah.